Saskatoon police have implemented road restrictions due to severe flooding caused by heavy overnight rainfall. The flooding is affecting both the northbound and southbound lanes of Idylwyld Drive near the Circle Drive overpass.
Breaking news! Confederation area is flooded! Are you guys able to make it? Oh, go, go, go! Don't stop! You can make it.
Authorities are urging the public to steer clear of the area as crews work to clear multiple vehicles that have stalled due to the high water levels. A series of thunderstorms stretching from Alberta to Saskatoon unleashed a barrage of strong winds, hail, and torrential rain across Saskatchewan last night, resembling the intense storms that hit the province on June 23rd.
Really, this time of night?
The storm system impacted Saskatoon and nearby areas such as Dalmeny, Martensville, and Warman, with a second round of severe weather striking closer to midnight.
Yeah, a little bit of flooding. Woo! This is fun!
The violent storm activity also swept through North Battleford, Moose Jaw, Regina, and other communities in the south and southeast, with widespread reports of severe weather flooding social media. Brad Vrolik, a meteorologist with Environment Canada, reported that wind gusts in some areas reached up to 90 kilometers per h, while pockets of the region experienced hail ranging from nickel to quarter size. For the Saskatoon area, the worst of the storm has likely passed. While there is a possibility of thunderstorms on Saturday evening and overnight, they are not expected to be as severe, Vrolike said. However, regions including Assiniboia, Regina, and Yorkton remain at risk for additional storms tonight. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.